Hello, 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 my wonderful people. I greet every one of you. Oyina no na boye madu kaine bi. Ano madu kaine bi is from Akumazi Umocha. And Akumazi Umocha is located in the Kano East local government area of Delta State. The person that is with me is...
My name is Osai Magnus Onyekachuku. Onyewaji Spirit Almighty. Malina YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and TikTok.
Today, we are going to be sharing with you what we are doing as a people. Today, let me inform you in case you have forgotten that the long-awaited conference, it is around the corner. Next month being August 29th and 30th of August, which is Friday, Saturday, at Just Days Hotel and Suite, their conference hall at Asaba Okpanam. That is where we are going to be converging to speak and to have a wonderful conference. And this conference is tagged, this conference is brought to you by Igbo Unification Movement in collaboration with Ndenasobia Socio-Cultural Organization. Who are these people? These are people who believe and know for sure that they have same value system in culture, tradition, language, and everything. We talk about Igbos in Edo State, Igbos in Benue, Igbos in Kogi, Igbos in Cross River, Igbos in Akwa Ibom, Igbos in Bayelsa, Igbos in River State, Igbos in Delta State, of course, and cut across the 5 eastern states that you all know to be Igbos as well. Yeah. We come together to float an organization in the site of uniting every Bia-speaking people for our political benefit and for economical strength. Now, today, we are in the studio to inform you what you are to see come 29th to 30th of August. My brother, with the preparation that we are having, what do you think that will happen for that 2 days?
Well, our preparation is going well. You know, this conference is going to be a very big conference. It's going to shake the world. It's going to make people know that Igbos are uniting. Because this conference, great personalities from Igbo land are coming. People from Ukwane land are coming. People from Ika land are coming. People from Aniocha, Oshimiri, Ndokwa, they are all coming. People from River State are coming. So it's not just something that is being done by just a few people. No, so many people are coming to grace that conference. And to make you understand what we are saying, big and well-known professors, well-known intellectuals are coming to lecture on that day. So let me stop here.
Do you know one thing? When you mentioned those who are coming to speak to us that very day, we made a very right choice.
Yeah.
Somebody is coming from Enuane. Somebody is coming from Kwale. Somebody is coming from Ikwere. Yeah. Somebody is coming from Anambra, Imo State. Now, we selected those who are coming to speak to us from the identity crisis affected area. Yeah. Now, why did we go that way? Because we want our people to get the right and undiluted information, to get the right knowledge about us and the reason why we face this issue of identity crisis. Because it is quite unfortunate that most of us are denying ourselves of who we are. And of a truth, I want to bring to your information and notice that the reason why our enemies are sponsoring more division among us is to make sure that we in the Igbo are not strengthened politically, economically, because they know that when we come together, we'll make more meaningful impact than what we are making now that we are not together. Yes, and that is why they are fighting us. And let me still say to you that still in doubt, if Igbos will unite, take it or you leave it. But in the next 2 years, the story will never remain the same. Yeah. Because what we are doing is bringing it to you the way it is. And we are not stopping until we get Igbo united. So what do you have to say? Now, on that day of that 2 days of what is it called? A conference. What do you think that people should expect? Tell us what should be their expectation.
Well, people should expect cultural display. People should expect to see great personalities from different parts of Igbo land. People should expect to listen to the lecture of our people. People should expect to see Okwane people that are embracing their Igbo identity. People should expect to see our senators, Senator Ned Nwoko. People should expect to see great things on that day. In fact, I can't even tell you everything that you'll be expecting because this conference is very big. It's now bigger than us. Stay tuned, my people.
Now, until we come your way again, keep a date with us. 29th through 30th of August. It is the date. And it's going to be so wonderful. And I tell you, you will not regret joining us. Remain blessed. And may Chukwu bless you and enlarge your coasts. Until we meet that very day, stay wonderfully blessed.
You're welcome.
God.
Not be the same thing. Now they do am now.